Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the November 2017 past paper of the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 25, which reads, liquid is leaking out of a container. The graph shows the depth of the liquid for 60 seconds. Okay, so we've got the depth going up the y-axis and the time going across the x-axis. It says use the graph to work out an estimate for the rate of decrease of depth at 10 seconds. You must show your working. Okay, well what you can't do is read off the graph and say, well, it started at 25, 26, 27 centimeters and it ended up at 3.5 centimeters, and then try to calculate the average rate that the water disappeared, because that's not what they're asking. They're asking for the instantaneous rate at 10 seconds, and the only way to do that is to draw a tangent line. That's a line that just kisses the curve at just one point only. And that's got to be at the point where the time is at 10 seconds. So we want to hit that point there. The tangent line will be touching at 10 seconds. Thereafter, you can draw a triangle, a right angle triangle, and you can work out the slope of the tangent line. Okay, well, I've tried to look for some points that are fairly easy to read. But even at this scale I'm struggling to read it, so I've taken the liberty of not only drawing the tangent line but also drawing the readings in already. So at 2 seconds we're going up to 20 seconds, and at 20 centimeters. At 2 seconds the depth was 20 centimeters, and at 20 seconds the depth was 8 centimeters. So I'm going to write in these coordinates as 2, 20 and 20, 8. So the slope of the curve is the rise over the run. That is to say, the change in x, the change in y divided by the change in x. The rise is how far it goes up, and the run is how far it goes across, and we go across the x-axis and up the y-axis. So it's rise over run, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And you can decide which are going to be x2 and x1 and y2 and y1, so long as you're consistent. I'm going to put the 20, 8 as the 2, so this is 8 minus 20 divided by 20 minus 2. So that's equal to, I need to add 12 to 8 in order to get to 20. So 20 is bigger than 8, so this is negative 12 divided by 18. So let's see if we can reduce that. Should we try and reduce that fraction? Yeah, I suppose we should. I can divide both by 6, because 12 is 2 times 6 and 18 is 3 times 6, so it's negative 2/3. So the rate of change of the water at 10 seconds is negative 2/3. In other words, it's going down at a rate of 2/3 of a centimetre every second. So that's 2/3, or 0.66666 recurring. I'm going to put 0.6 and a dot over the 6 to say the 6 is recurring. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.